This is Wade with HiTechLegion, and this is the component installation for the Lian PC-7HX mid-tower computer case. Now, we've installed the semi-modular power supply into the system, as well as set up some of the cables by pre-routing them through some of the holes. Our motherboard standoffs are already in place from the manufacturer, and next I will be installing here we have the motherboard installed into the system, along with some of our cables routed through. We have our front panel connections connected, our fan headers, as well as our USB 2.0 connection using the included adapter that they included with the case. We have a large Pontec heatsink installed in the system. It does fit with the side panel on, and this case does fit coolers up to 170 millimeters. Although in this case, if we had tall RAM heatsinks, the cooler would not be able to fit the second fan. Next, we installed the graphics card into the system and added the power connector for it, 6-pin power connector here, and we did that by removing the 2 thumb screws, removing the blanks, putting the card into the PCI Express slot, and then tightening the thumb screws back down. This case does have support for longer GPUs. As you can see, there's a lot of space here, up to 400 millimeters in length. Next, we're going to be installing hard drives into the system. For 3.5-inch drives, this is done very simply by taking 4 rubber grommets that are included and 4 thumb screws. You take the rubber grommet, you put the thumb screw through it, and you screw it down into one of the screw holes on the hard drive. You then simply take the hard drive and line it up with the track that you want to put the drive on and push it into place. It's a very simple hard drive installation. For 2.5-inch drives, you take 4 rubber grommets that are designed for the 2.5-inch drives, and 4 screws go through those, and you tighten those down, and then you can simply take the hard drive and drop it onto the drive tray through holes and push it back, and it's installed. Then you connect your power cable and your SATA cables to the back of the drives as usual. And next, we're going to install a 5.25-inch optical drive into the system. To do this, we have to take the front bezel off. It simply unclips to come off, and we take out the filler piece, pop our tool-free connector here so that the drive can slide in. Like that. And we can slide the optical drive into place and snap the tool-free connector back down and connect our cables to the back as usual. On the back side of the case, we were able to cinch down much of our cabling to keep the system neat, and we have plenty of room behind the hard drive bays to run the cabling up behind them and keep it easy to close the side panel on the system. And that's the completed component installation for the Lian PC-7HX mid-tower computer case. I hope you enjoyed the video. For the full review, please see www.HiTechLegion.com.